Yeah, I'm gonna have to make $100. Man, I don't understand why this is such a. It's crazy that they haven't updated my eval at all. I mean, that's crazy. They didn't do it. I guess I'll probably be like the last time. Oh shit. All right, man. Yeah, I probably won't. Mm. I mean, I don't know why everybody is all these support reps are just taking their time to respond. All right, man. Yeah, that'll be the last time I trade with them. Shouldn't have to sit here and wait for a response like that. Okay. All right. So I mean, let's look at take profit trader, man. Let me just really look at it. Let me look at take profit trader. Okay. Hey, what's up? No, actually, it's Blue Sky. So apparently, Blue Sky changed their evals recent, or I guess they changed it in January. I bought the account in January, so I was trading under the rules in January, and I'm getting switched over to the live account, and they trying to put me. So no, I made 5K. They're trying to give me like 3,500. Like what the fuck? No, I made 5K, and it seems like this is gonna have to be an issue that's gonna have to be resolved. I mean, it sucks that I have to sit here and kind of defend myself. This should be something that y'all guys should already know that I did. I mean, I understand that their customer service is just reading from a script and they're just reading from documentation. So I mean, I understand that, but uh when y'all made a switch like that, y'all should kind of already know that, something like this is gonna happen. Or anyway, we'll see how this gets resolved. I'm pretty sure that I'll get what's owed to me, but it's just a fact that I have to deal with it instead of just getting what I'm owed. Or let me rephrase that, what I've earned. I earned 5K, so give me my fucking 5K. And you know what? I kind of made a dumb mistake. Yeah, that trailing drawdown, man, is that shit sucks. And crypto 101, uh I think he should. You know what, guys, that'll be something that I'll do over the weekend. I'm not actually sure if Smith actually has an affiliate code. Um, I'll get an affiliate code for Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, and I think that's probably it. Top Step doesn't do affiliate codes. I don't trade. I mean, I have an Apex affiliate code, but I don't think anybody trades Apex. But I'll still put it in the description moving forward. Or maybe I do got a. No, actually, let me. Maybe I do got an affiliate code. I think I may have done this. I think I just haven't. Maybe I may have done this. Yeah, maybe I do got an affiliate code. Hmm. All right. Let me just let me do this because I mean, did I really? It seems like with Blue Sky, they're picking and choosing what questions they want to answer, and I don't like that. Take Profit Trader. All right. So yeah, I made a mistake today, guys. I'm 2 days away from being live in a My Funded Futures account, and today I blew it, or I didn't blow the account. I just made like a stupid mistake, and instead of making at least $100 in the account, I hit daily loss limit today. And the crazy thing is that I was short. I was short at the start of the session, but when I got in, I guess it was chopping me up. I would get out, I'm down 200, get out, down 200. And then as soon as I get out, I mean, we get this big move down. I would have had the enough money to at least get the $100 requirement at least. And then I said, fine. I go long. I think I only have like maybe $100 left, and it stops me out. And then it does all of this. So honestly, I'm not gonna sit here and mislead you guys, and I'm not gonna mislead myself. I think that I don't even want to trade the Nasdaq because these last 2 days she's just been fucking with me, and I don't understand why. I was still in disbelief that how was it that I get into, because I saw the short setup at the close of the session. So I was like, damn, I kind of wish that they would kind of keep it in this area so I can just take the short. I take the short, she chops me up. I kind of get out of it thinking that, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they're gonna bounce it because they kept bouncing it, bouncing it, bouncing it. And then they drop it. And it's like, damn, like how did I do that? How did I do that? Like how? And then with my last bit of money, because actually I was up $350, but I didn't take that shit. It dropped right back down. And I'm sitting here thinking, why? Like, why did it do that? Like, why? Why? I'm just trying to brute force my way into this live account. And I hit daily loss. Let me try to do it. And that completely blew my mind. So now I gotta wait until tomorrow. I think these 2 last days are gonna be difficult for whatever reason. It's gonna be difficult because I'm trying to brute force it instead of trying to be patient. But I'm trying to be patient, but damn, it's like I feel like I'm being compelled to just get it over with. I don't want to trade for real. I don't want to. I just want to get it over with. Hmm. No way. No, it hasn't. This has to be mine then. There's no way that this is taken. This has to be mine. All right, man. Okay. All right. So let me just sign up, man. Let me just, I guess, sign up, I guess. Get started. Sign up. Guess I'm just gonna jump off the bridge with everybody else. Hmm. Oh yeah, let me see if everybody just taking their time responding to me today, I guess. All right. So, and then I'm gonna have to get some rules in this account. Uh, dude, I just signed up. Oh, maybe I didn't. Hold on, give me a second. Let me get my phone. All right. Okay. Because I probably did that. Ain't no way no somebody else did that affiliate code. I probably did that shit. All right, so I guess Take Profit Trader don't want people to sign up then. I guess they don't want me to sign up. Let me try this again. I could have sworn I just did this. Okay. Yeah. All right. So they sent me a confirmation email, and they ES anonymous. Shit, I might go back to shit. I'll trade the ES in this live account once I get it. Once everything is once everything is said and done and everything is correct, I'll trade the ES. I'll probably even make only $200 a day. I probably might just do that. Just consistently just make the $200 a day. I guess I'll do that. I'm not gonna lie. Like I said, Nasdaq has I like, dude, I seriously don't know how the hell I hit daily loss limit. I went short at the open. Like, how the hell did I do that? How? I literally went short at the open because I knew that this right here was going to go short, and that we was going to at least get a test of this bottom at least. What I should have did was just use my old strategy where, I mean, even if it did go against me, kind of scale in, even if it did come back up and then, but that sucks, man. All right. So I'll get it. Like I said, I'll get it before this week. I'm asking MFF to actually reduce my daily loss limit. Ah, man. They said it is not possible to change the daily loss limit for the account. All right. So and then I'll probably do that. Actually, let me just do it. Okay. All right. I mean, I think I'm kind of being. All right. So, oh man. Okay. So, how did you hear about Take Profit Traders affiliate program? Okay. Oh my. Oh my. All right. All right. Yeah, group can trade. What happened is I was being stupid. I was trying to brute force. Actually, like, I mean, no, I was right. I mean, that's honestly, I really don't even know what happened, man. I really don't, because I was right. Like, I guess, I guess I was in two contracts. I guess I didn't really want it to go against me. I kind of went against how I usually do this with one contract and scale in if need be. I try to brute force it with two. And obviously, as for whatever reason, going short on the NASDAQ is like the hardest thing to do, even if you're right, because of these stupid bounces that she likes to do. It makes you think like, oh man, you're on the wrong side. That's how I felt. I didn't want to lose. I just wanted maybe 100, maybe $500 at the max. I would have settled for 100 because that's all I need. I just need 2 more days of making $100. And because of that, I'm just brute forcing these last 2 days and I don't want to wait patiently. I should wait patiently. I just don't want to. And for it just takes a lot of mental resources to fight that urge. It's taken a lot. So I've just come to the conclusion. I just said, well, there is a lot of volatility at the open. If I can just get on the right side of it, I can make the $100 or just what 6 points. Because obviously I got to take out the commission as well. So 6 points, I can get the 6 points. I just have to be in the right direction. And the market is usually volatile at open, but for whatever reason today, it just wasn't. I don't know. Like I said, the last couple of days, the NASDAQ has just been fucking with me. She's just been fucking with me, and I don't understand why. She's just been fucking with me. Kind of like right here, like how she missed that target right here. Obviously, she could have kept going up. She could have. Like, why the hell did she drop? And 91. She drops about what 40 points. My target would have got hit. Of course, she had to stop at 91 for whatever reason. It's just stuff like that. She's just been messing with me. And yeah, that'll probably be the last time. This will be the last account with them. It'll be the last account. I don't necessarily care to, and I'm talking about Blue Sky. I'm not saying anything's wrong with Blue Sky. I just don't like the fact that I'm in a situation now where, and I think if it was something that happened by itself, in terms of like all the other stuff that I'm not necessarily going through anything, but just the Nasdaq messing with me is on my mind, and then just having this issue where it's like, man, now I got to convince these people that I made 5K, and they're only trying to give me 3,500 because of that new rule. Or then I guess let me be clearer. Uh, as soon as you pass the live account, the second phase with Blue Sky, they send you a questionnaire, and in this questionnaire, you got to reply to the email and state that uh, how do you want to get paid out? Do you want the initial maximum payout? Set your daily loss limit, et cetera, et cetera. I'm not a fan of the $140 data fee either. I mean, that's kind of expensive, and that's monthly. I'm not a fan of that. I don't think it should be $140 when Ninja Trader 8 charges $12 for CME, but I guess it's probably all like, dude, I don't want to trade all. I mean, dude, I'm only trading Nasdaq. Maybe ES, or actually, let me rephrase that. In that live account, I will only be trading ES. I'm not even going to be looking at no Nasdaq. Make this easy money, build it up. And then just call it a day. I try to make only like what I mean, but man, no, I'm gonna shoot for $500 a day, $400 to $500 a day in the account. I'm gonna trade 3 micro contracts at max. I'm not even gonna trade a mini at all. I'm just gonna trade the micro contracts. I'm gonna set limits, let it fill. I'm not even gonna monitor it. I'm just going to set the limits. If they get hit, if they get hit. If they don't, they don't. I'm just gonna set the limits and just let the market play out. And I'm not even gonna monitor it because I don't want to look at it and adjust it and mess with it and blah blah blah. Just gonna make my $400 to $500 a day and let that build up over time, and then take out a payout, probably like a weekly thing. Probably take out maybe, I don't know, $1,000 every week if possible, if I can start getting that going. I mean, I can take out a payout every day, but I don't want to get into that habit. Because once I get a payout every day, then I'm going to start trading for a payout every day. And I don't want to do that. That's just going to be for the first one. The second one, because I'm about to get in, I passed the account today, but for whatever reason, they haven't updated their system to say that, hey, you passed. And they haven't switched it to a Blue Live account yet. And if it's a $5,000 account, I'm going to make I'm going to make it known like, yo, either y'all want me to trade for 5K or y'all want me to trade for 3,500. I mean, make up your mind. You said what's wrong with that? Yeah, I mean, $140. Yeah, that's crazy, dude. I can, yeah, it's like $140 on, let me show it to you. Like, yeah, it's like $140. And that right there is kind of making me not even want to really trade with them. I don't know if anybody else does this with the $140, but that's crazy. So we'll see what I mean. I'm pretty sure it's I don't know. I don't know. All right. Oh yeah, let me hurry and finish this questionnaire. And I'll start, I guess, promoting Take Profit Trader. It seems like everybody likes it, so shit, why not, right? And then I guess like I said, I probably should just start okay. How do you typically engage your audience? Kind of promotional tactics do you plan to use on your burn? Blah blah blah. Yeah, I can do a lot better. I can do. Uh, Never mind. Uh, so they're kind of like top step. You gotta apply to be an affiliate. I like top step. Okay. All right. So we'll see what happens with that. See what happens. Okay. All right. But I will say that I will be doing a lot of changes. From now on, from now on, I want to only trade 2 contracts max. Maybe a third one, maybe a third one. Kind of going back to what I said. Actually, let me just kind of do this now. Let me just do this now. Just clean up a lot of these ATM strategies and just clean them up. I'm only going to keep only a few. I'll keep this one just in case. Like one day, I just kind of want to set something and forget it. Mm. Because it seems like so I want to get into the habit of trading in a funded account because it seems like yeah, a lot of these prop firms have big accounts, big evals, get you used to trading bigger size, but across the board, I'm starting to see that once you get into a live account, aside from Take Profit Trader and Apex, but everybody else, they're starting you off like so. Once I get these 2 days with MFF, they put you in a $2,500 account. It seems like Blue Sky is doing the same thing. I haven't traded with Tradeify, but with them, if you if you I guess depending on what account you get, um, I mean you're trading more and your payouts are capped. Which I mean, like I said, a lot of I think every prop firm now is capping out payouts. I think Take Profit Trader is only allowing Not I apologize. I said that wrong. Take profit trader is allowing the daily profits above your buffer. And I think they're the only one that's doing that. Blue Sky is also doing it. Um, Actually, I think all live accounts might Top Step doesn't do that. So I know MFF it's daily payouts, Blue Sky's daily payouts, Take Profit Traders daily payouts above the buffer. Apex is obviously is not. Top Step is not. And those are the only prop firms that I trade with. I know a lot of people are now talking about Bullnox, which is interesting how Bullnox is now becoming more popular and more talked about. When I mean, it's seen a lot of popularity that it didn't have before. So I wonder what changed with them. Why has Bullnox become so popular? I'm starting to see. I mean, obviously, I know it could be for affiliates. I understand that, but I'm starting to see a lot of prop traders talk about Bullnox, and unfortunately, I already have an opinion about them, and it's not good. So, not that I don't think I haven't traded with them. It's just that, well, if they're just going to copy and paste Apex, I might as well trade with Apex. Um, I mean, I guess that's just how I see them. I mean, any prop firm that copy pastes Apex, I might as well just trade Apex. Mm. Yeah, it seems like a lot of prop firms are now doing that Project Act as well. I think the only one that hasn't done it yet is MFF, but they're using Trading View, but not the Project X, but they're using Trading View. I mean, I guess Apex is using their wealth chart. So it seems like every prop firm is now having a web-based platform that you can trade. I mean, like I said, I wouldn't trade any live account on any web-based platform, especially with all the glitches during high volatility. Nah, I need a reliable platform, a desktop application, something that I have to download, enter my password and username and password, and yeah. TradingVate does have a desktop application. So I don't know if anybody was aware of that. They do have a desktop application, but uh, Smith said he didn't like it. Yeah, I'll get the $100. I'll get it. I'll get it. I am considering. So okay, so I am considering. I'm possibly considering going to Top Step just to run them up, and probably be invited on Top Step TV because I keep running them up. I'm considering doing that. Mm. Yeah, I think I'll probably do it. Shit, honestly, like man, now that I'm thinking about it, I really don't want a live account. I really and you know what? Honestly, I'm gonna talk about that. There's a reason why Blue Sky is the first prop firm that I've been live with. And it was mostly due to a misunderstanding of what their Blue Live account was. In my mind, and that's probably why I self sabotaged today because again, I'm trying to understand why or how I lost $1,200. Why I deviated from my original plan or my plan that has gotten me to this far. I got 28 days of a positive P&L in this account. And I keep doing this. I did this in the milestone account. Man, I was hitting up I'm surprised MFF hasn't like really just been like, yo, bro, chill out, relax. You keep hitting us up. I was on phase 3 on their milestone account. The original one that they came out with before they changed it. And I had that for a while. I was on phase 3. And the next phase, if I pass phase 3, phase 4, I think it's the live phase, or maybe I think that's how it went. And that's when I blew it up. All of a sudden, I was making mistake after mistake. I was doing things differently. And it was not like this was something that I wanted to do. It just felt like I was compelled to do it. Like it just feels like being hijacked. That's how it feels. It feels like being hijacked and you're constantly trying to fight the compulsions, or at least that's how it feels for me. I'm constantly fighting it. Give me a second. And it just gets to the point to where it's like, well, I don't want to utilize the mental resources to fight it. Let me just get it out of the way. And and that's it right there. I just want it to be done. I just wanted to get out the way. I don't want to feel, I mean, because it's painful. As crazy as it sounds, I can just kind of, it's just painful. And I just want to alleviate the pain. It's I guess, anxiety. I don't want to use that word anxiety because I'm not an anxious person, but I am I do want to get shit done. I don't like having things on my plate. If I have a task, I want to complete it. I don't like having to finish things over time. I don't like that shit. I just want to get it done and have it be done. And I guess that could be a form of anxiety, I guess. But like I said, I don't like using that word. And like I said, perfect. And then this last 2 days now, I lose $1,200, and the market didn't even barely moved at the open. So I'm probably gonna do the same thing again. I mean, I'm gonna wait until the market opens at 5 o'clock. I'm gonna sit in front of my desk and I'm gonna try to get this money as fast as possible, so I can just be done with it. And hopefully this time I don't self sabotage and I keep it the way. Because I mean, honestly, if I kept it, my original plan, just start off with one contract, scale in if need be, I would have had the money. I mean, and as I'm thinking about it, it's like, I mean, it's crazy you did that shit to yourself. It's crazy. But at the same time, it's also crazy that the Nasdaq did that shit to me too. She didn't have to do it to me back. She did not have to do it to me back. So I was fighting me, and the Nasdaq was fighting me. But yeah, I think it's just because I'm getting close to that live account, and I guess I don't. I guess a part of me just don't really want it. I just want to get paid. That's it. I don't care about being a live trader. That means nothing to me. Pay me. Fuck you. Pay me. That's all I care about. Fuck that other shit. Pay me. Yeah, I think so too. Mm, my bad, Griff can trade. He says battle never ends. It seems. Yeah, it's like, man, like, oh my god, like, man, I hate it. That's why I tried to because I was actually thinking about it. I was like, so I mean, once you get to the live portion, I mean, every day, are you gonna do the same thing again? I mean, you can't just keep jumping in at open trying to get something done because it just seems like it's a never ending cycle. It's get the money as fast as possible. I'm not even trading. And I wish there was a feature where I can lock myself out. I mean, at that point, I mean, that's the only thing that's going to stop me. I'm too determined. I'm too determined to let something to sit there and not die trying. I'm just too determined. I can't even think of me losing $500 and just say, you know what, I can come back tomorrow and make that shit. No, I'm gonna make that shit right now. No, I'm not waiting until tomorrow. I'm gonna make that $500 or blow up this account trying. And and once I get into that mode, well, I mean that's just how it is. You're gonna blow the account up. I'm gonna be sad about it, of course, but I guess what you would call ego, whatever you want to call it. And it says, well, shit, at least we tried. And I'm not gonna feel nothing. I'm not gonna feel bad about it. I'm gonna be mad that I hit daily loss limit, but I won't be mad about nothing else. I tried. I tried. And then once I get out of that account, I mean, when I trade these evals, it's like, okay, well, it's back to business. We'll wait until price get into support. We'll wait until it gets into resistance, and we'll take the trade. But mm, so yeah, that's something that I'm definitely gonna have to work on for sure. With this blue sky account, I just it's like, well, I'll just set a limit. If it gets hit, if it gets hit. If it don't, it don't. And I was perfect in that account. Perfect, absolutely perfect. But the ones where I'm trying to make money, it just seems like, well, shit. Mm. But Alfred, uh, you say you want to try the ES tomorrow. Like I said, it's totally different than the Nasdaq. You kind of, I mean, 11 points, 10, 11 points is a good trade on the ES. It's a good trade on the ES. But uh, the one thing that you can always enjoy on the ES is that she's not going to lie to you. She doesn't do that stupid shit like the Nasdaq where if you're in a short position, she's not going to pop back up for no reason to stop you out, just to go in a direction. I mean, that's what you can expect from the ES. Just smooth trading. It's going to take forever depending on when you get in and if the market is set up. Like the Nasdaq moved what? All this? I mean, the Nasdaq made this big move, this big move down, this big move up. And I mean, yeah, the ES kind of did the same thing too, but I mean, you ain't made no money in no ES tonight unless you caught this bottom at 609. Dang, she moved up about what? 24 points? I wonder why the hell she did that. Mm, yeah. 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 I definitely agree, grip and trade. Mm. Man, I wish. Ah, man. Hmm. Yeah, honestly, I wish there was a feature where I could lock myself out. Wish there was a feature where I could lock myself out. I mean, actually, let me try to look for some because I need. I honestly, I need this. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, Trishana. Yeah, that's actually what saved my a lot of my accounts too. If there's no daily loss limit, I'll blow the account. I'll do it. The crazy thing is that I mean, dude, I just don't know, man. I just don't know. The emotional game of trading is, I mean, you definitely gotta get it down pat. I'm a very disciplined person outside the markets, but for whatever reason, I get into the market and then over time I become a degenerate because winning becomes boring, and then become a degenerate, and then gambling is more fun. And I beat the odds, and then I start gambling, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to, and yet I do it anyway, compelled to do it. Mm. Well, I'm not gonna take profits. I mean, I ain't gonna ever do that. I want my target. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to trade with maybe so I'm gonna start only trading with 3 contracts probably at the max. But I mean, I already kind of opened a position at 3 contracts, but what I'm gonna start doing is actually having a 36-point target, 27-point stop. Is going to make me go back to my old ways of waiting for the setup because with these 4 or 5 contracts, I don't have to. I don't have to wait for a setup. And I think that's created a habit in me that I don't like. So I'm going to start trading only with one contract now and just scale in when I need to and try to get the whole move versus trying to only get a piece of it. So I'm gonna write this up. So like my game plan moving forward is I want to have two contracts, one short contract, one long contract. The long contract is obviously is going to make an attempt to capture the entire move. I'm gonna let that run. The short contract is going to grab profits along the way. Uh, a third contract, I'm gonna have to really think about how I'm gonna implement a third contract, but for the most part, I want to keep it at two. Maybe so that first contract, I'm gonna get into it. If I see the market finding support then I'm gonna try to scale into it at my entry, or maybe I can get away with no, because I have to remember why I'm doing this. I'm doing this because if I just stay in the habit of trading every account like I have to trade these funded accounts, then I don't have to trade one way to get the pass. And then when I get into these live accounts with these small um, buffers, then I have to change. So if I just stay consistent throughout the entirety of the whole thing, then I don't have to change. And then my mindset can stay set on, okay, I need to get in that support, get in that demand, potentially scale in at a retest of support somewhere, and just strategically start and being very surgical with my trades again, like how I trade with micros. Shit, if you've been with me when I was trading micros, we was catching like 200 points. And the only reason why I would let it run this long is because it's micros. You don't even make no damn money unless you let it run for 200 plus points. But I have not caught, or my mindset is not, when I'm in minis, I'm not even looking for I'm looking for like 30 points. I'm not even looking for no 50 points, 100 points like I used to do. And I want to kind of get back to doing that. So that's what I will do. And as I said before, it's more relatable that way. I feel like more people trade with one contract versus the five that I trade. And consistently making $700 a day uh, has gotten me plenty of payouts as well. All right. Mm. Yeah, probably just okay. I mean, obviously next week I will be. So I've already kind of switched over. So I'm gonna still be trading the March contract until the end of the week. But looks like well, we'll see. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I can switch this one over to the June contract. I've already got most of my other charts switched to the June contract already. It's just that I don't like trading the first week of the the new contract because the price action is all over the place. Price action is all. I mean, look at all this, and this is a 15-minute chart. I mean, just look at the price action on the 15. It's just erratic. It's all over the place. I don't particularly care to trade the market, the newer contracts, until everybody is in it. But Top Step has already switched over. I think what Bookmap has switched over. We'll see. Yeah, well, I mean, I might as well switch these ES charts to the new contract because I'm not going to necessarily trade it. But I kind of want to be looking at ES on the new chart. Yes, 06-25. Yeah, this price action is absolutely ugly. This is some erratic price action. Okay. All right. Hmm. Yeah, I'll probably just use that tomorrow. My micro strategy. Hmm. You know what? All right. I think that's how I'm. Yeah. Okay. That's how I'm gonna play it. All right. So okay, that's how I'm gonna play it. All right. That's how I'm gonna play it. Mm, All right. So moving forward, I'm going to. So my first contract is going to be a long contract, meaning that hmm, I'm just going to start doing this because I got to get back into the habit of doing this. Getting back in the habit of doing this. So I don't want to start a position with 3 contracts anymore. I'm going to start a position with one. I'm going to use a short contract to scalp the market in situations kind of like these right here, where the market bounces and then it comes back to your break even. I can potentially scale into another contract, and then, well, actually, my long target probably would have got hit. Yeah, it would have got hit in this situation actually. Or I guess I can just adjust the long contract to always kind of be at the next level of structure because it would have got hit. And then once the short contract gets hit, and either I can look to see for my long contract to get hit, but if we do see, a pullback into support, I can just add another contract and then potentially have a third one to where my stop would be, and then kind of give it like maybe 9 more points or something like that. Because I mean, a 27 point stop is definitely it's kind of all you need on the Nasdaq. Yeah, so in this situation, and I'm starting to see that a lot. Like sometimes my 27 point stop is it's not good. And then so 27 would have been at 18 minus 9. I mean, it would have stopped me all the way out. But then at the same time, honestly, I should have been out. I should have been out right here. I mean, this is obviously going to be a double top, and then we're going to see a move to the downside right there. Obviously, a double top at that point. Okay. I guess, yeah, moving forward, that's how I would do it. All right. So we'll definitely play with this. Because I mean, like I said, this is a two-legged pullback into support. And I mean, if I have one contract, it kind of forces me to look at the structure of the market. It forces me to do that. Versus if I have heavy size, I'm just paying attention to my targets. Damn the structure. Okay. All right. So and I won't deviate from this style of trading. I won't deviate from it. I'll set a limit, scale in, take profits along the way. Yeah, I think this is a good plan. This is a good plan. I mean, obviously, no, this is a good plan. This is a good plan. Well, you didn't tell me what I wanted to hear. You didn't tell me what I wanted to hear. All right, Alfred. Have a good night. Have a good night. All right, so yeah, that's moving forward. That's how I'm going to start trading. Moving forward. And I think I should be able to get this. Yeah, I mean, I'll go back to doing this. Mm. And the question is, I mean, would would I've gotten this? Would I've gotten that? And I will not be staying up all night tonight. I will not be staying up all night. Mm. And I wish I can. Okay. All right. But all right, guys. That's it for me tonight. The market's not necessarily moving, and yeah, it's not moving tonight. I already missed the move. So we could see a rejection here, but I prefer to take the long. I prefer to get in long. So I'll try for a long there. I'll stop out if wrong, obviously. Around like 500 is probably where I get stopped out at. But I mean, price might not even actually. I'll just put one on there. I mean, this looks like it. I mean, if we do see price come back into this area, it does look like it'll be support. So I'll take the I'll just take off one, and I'm gonna make that rule as well. Like overnight. Okay. But yeah, let me just start trading one contract. Before I get off, I watched this video, and they were talking about the top 5 or 10 Apex payouts, and not gonna lie, it kind of is. It's actually what's kind of inspiring this change. I think the top payout right now is the trader pay is got paid out like 1 million or something like that. But just being able to just get paid out in general from these prop firms, being consistent, just really paying attention to the charts and just kind of taking it day by day. It really is life changing, and you can really change your life if you just lock in and stop gambling. Just really lock into this. The one rule that I need to actually just be steadfast on is my entry rule. I want to limit in, but I might have to just stick with buy stops just because the Nasdaq can be very nasty. She likes to miss levels too often, and she does that too often for my liking. And to really just start looking at these charts for real, man. Yeah, just like relax on that. Man, I definitely would prefer to be in this long than short. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. No game weight. No. No, he must have just got in. No. 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 I hit daily loss limit in an account because I'm trying to rush to finish it, and I traded outside my parameters today. So because of that, that's why I'm just gonna stick to just this. That's why. I think I mean I'm gonna turn this bad situation into a good one. I'll turn it into a good one. And just limit in instead of just trying to force trades and stuff like that. Cause yeah, I'm just gonna turn that into a positive and just focus on the positive. I'll do that. Because once that DLL hits, it's not a good feeling. I mean, obviously, I mean, I think that we all know that, but it's not a good feeling. So, but all right, guys, that's gonna be it for me tonight. The market's not moving; it's not doing anything. So, tomorrow we do have FOMC. We have the monetary Fed interest rate decision tomorrow. We also have the FOMC conference tomorrow. I believe that's all we have to look forward to. We don't have any other conflicting news that's going to be released tomorrow. So our focus will be 100% on Powell tomorrow. So that's going to be fun. That's going to be interesting. So we'll definitely come back tomorrow and we'll look for ways to earn more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody.